welcome to my channel. So today I have here my economics project for class 12th. So you can take some help from it. So let's start.
So basically this is my economics project and this is the main page, the introduction page, and then the cover page. My topic was demand, and then we have the acknowledgement, and then the certificate, and then the index. The topics are mainly from the NCERT, the main topics, and you can even prefer the refreshers if you want. And then I have made a picture collage which kind of looks good, and then start the topics: demand, types of demand, and other topics. Make sure that you stick some pictures so that your project look attractive, and you do use you do put borders and everything to make it a bit more attractive and kind of sophisticated. You can make the drawings or you can stick printed pictures, depends on how you want it, and then make proper graphs and everything. And then here we have features of law of demand and assumptions of law of demand, and here we have reasons for law of demand, and up next we have exceptions for law of demand, and then change in demand, the expansion, contraction, increase, decrease, all of that. You can see how I have made it, like a foldable paper and everything. You will find the proper matter in the refreshers, so you can take the help from there. And here I have included the topic, the effect of advertisement on demand. So this was not in the books, but yeah, you can add additional topics as well. So this was one of the topics. And then concluding the topic, we will have the bibliography, and that's it.
So guys, all the best for your board exams. Do well.